Hey everybody, it's Chris Pierce again with the PR Properties Real Estate Group at Century 21 In-Town Realty, here to present to you our newest listing, Unit 47 at 8570 204th Street, right in the highly desirable Willoughby Heights neighborhood of Langley. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse is perfect for the growing family. It's over 1,300 square feet. It features a 2-car garage and a 3rd parking stall right in front. My clients have done some incredible updates in the last year, and it's also situated in the best part of the complex, backing out onto this beautiful central park area in the middle of the complex. We're really excited to show it to you, so come on in, take a look. Thank you once again for joining us on another one of our incredible listing video tours. We're really excited to show you this property, so get a hold of us, email us, text us, call us, any one of those methods will work. We just want to show you this property, book your private showing, come to one of the open houses, just come on down and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.